Looking to boost your car's security and capture every moment on the road? In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best mirror dash cams that combine sleek design with advanced features to give you ultimate peace of mind. From crisp HD recording to enhanced night vision, these dash cams are more than just mirrors, they're essential driving tools. Whether you're looking to protect yourself from accidents or simply want clearer footage, we've got you covered. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. 5th product on our list, ACE Mirror Video Recorder. The ACE 10-inch car DVR mirror video recorder, a game-changer for safe and convenient driving. This dual-lens dashcam features a 1080p resolution and a stunning touchscreen interface for seamless operation. Its IPS display ensures crisp visuals with a 16:9 screen ratio for a better viewing experience. Equipped with dual lenses and a 170 degrees wide-angle view, it records everything in high clarity, even in low light, thanks to its f2.0 aperture and night shot function. The rear camera's waterproof and anti-fog design ensures reliability in all weather conditions. The DVR includes loop cycle recording and a G-sensor to safeguard your footage during sudden impacts. Its motion detection ensures the camera activates when needed, providing real-time surveillance. Enjoy easy navigation with the 10-inch touchscreen. Store recordings securely with support for up to 128 gigabytes of external memory. It also supports multiple languages, making it versatile for global users. 4th product on our list, Olesed 4K Dash Cam. The Olesed 10-inch dash cam is a powerful driving companion that ensures safety with its 4K resolution at 3840x2160p. The front camera features a 170 degrees wide angle, and the rear camera captures clear footage, making it ideal for all driving conditions. This dash cam offers loop cycle recording, ensuring continuous footage, and its 24-hour parking monitoring keeps your car protected even when parked. Voice control allows easy operation, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable seamless connectivity. With night shot, wide dynamic range, and 3D DNR, it delivers clear visuals even in low light. The GPS logger records speed and coordinates, while the external GPS ensures accurate data tracking. 3rd product on our list, HGDO H350 Das Cam. The HGDO H350 Das Cam is a feature-packed solution for safe and convenient driving. This 3-in-1 dash cam combines a front and rear view mirror camera with parking sensors, offering full HD 1920x 1080p resolution. The 12-inch display provides clear visuals, and its 170 degrees wide-angle lens captures every detail. With dual lenses, the front and rear cameras ensure complete coverage. This dash cam features night vision and cycle recording, ensuring uninterrupted, high-quality footage even in low-light conditions. Its built-in GPS logger tracks routes accurately, while the G-sensor detects sudden movements for automatic recording. 2nd product on our list, 70mm Rearview Dash Cam. The 70mm Rearview Dash Cam S500 is a feature-packed device designed for safety and convenience. Its sleek 9.35-inch IPS touchscreen provides a vibrant display with easy navigation. Equipped with dual-channel recording, the S500 captures sharp 3K resolution footage at 30 frames per second using the advanced Sony IMX675 imaging sensor. Safety is a priority with features like HDR for enhanced clarity, night vision, and a G-sensor for impact detection. The wide 138 degrees field of view ensures comprehensive coverage of the road. It supports loop cycle recording and a memory capacity of up to 128 gigabytes with Class 10 or higher SD cards. Powering the dash cam is a super capacitor and button battery, ideal for extreme temperatures from -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Voice control adds hands-free convenience, while the optional parking hardwire kit provides 24-hour surveillance. For durability and functionality, the S500 is a top-tier choice. 1st product on our list, Obdpeak Camera Dash Cam. The Obdpeak 3-camera dash cam is a top-tier car DVR that offers a 4K front camera, 1080p interior, and rear cameras for complete surveillance. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen makes navigation easy, and the device supports loop cycle recording, so you never miss a moment. It captures video at an impressive 25 frames per second with a 170-degree wide-angle view. Equipped with advanced features like GPS tracking, G-sensor, and night vision, it ensures high-quality footage even in low light. It also has Wi-Fi functionality for easy video downloads and supports up to 128 GB memory. The built-in battery works when plugged in, and the unit is designed to be waterproof and fog-resistant for any weather condition. The Obdpeak Dash Cam also includes an automatic white balance feature, digital zoom, and is compatible with a mobile app for easy video access. It's a must-have for enhanced driving security and monitoring.